Good morning, class. I just wanted to welcome you to week 3 of our course, and I thought I would do it through a kind of cool technology platform called Screencast-O-Matic. If you haven't already heard about it, do a Google search on Screencast-O-Matic, and it allows you to take videos like this of yourself. A lot of teachers and professors are using it to allow for a little bit more intimate, not in a creepy way, but intimate connection between teacher and students. So I thought I'd use it today just to welcome you to week 3. First of all, the reading material in the book is one of my favorite parts, although I think you're going to probably hear me say that every single week. You get a chance to read in chapter 3, you get a chance to read a scenario about Jacob White's 3rd grade math class. And then there's an analysis of that. And on page 53 of our text, one of my favorite parts of this chapter is where they say the principal is moving from noticing to wondering about the teacher's teaching decision. And I think that's a really important note. As my work as a Danielson consultant, I do a lot of work with school leaders about their observations in classrooms. And what we have to do first is notice or observe. We can't start doing the wondering or the judging when we're in the classroom, because that wouldn't be fair. Then we're missing capturing what's going on in the classroom, what the teacher's doing, what the students are doing. But after the class is over and we go back and we start looking at our notes, I frequently find myself wondering, and that wondering leads to questions that I want to ask the teacher when I have a chance to talk to him or her. You also have 2 assignments this week. This is the first week that you have 2 assignments. One of them is this shared leadership pulse. You're going back to week 1, those leadership or non-instructional leadership positions that you wrote about, and now you're going to talk about what would it take for you to create some type of hiring process. So there, I'll let you read those directions on your own. But then the other one is a field experience. Let me get to that. There we go. I hope you can see that on your screen as well. And notice this part right here. Critical event reflection. You're going to use that critical event reflection form. It's found in the course materials, and I'll also attach a copy of it to the announcement so that you're not confused. But if you use that critical event reflection form and use it with fidelity, you really can't go wrong and you won't mess up too much. What happens is when people try to make it into some other type of document, they miss some of the pieces that are on the critical event reflection form and or on the rubric. So keep that critical event reflection form as your guide, and also make sure you check out the rubrics to make sure that you are aligning your work to that. Otherwise, have a great week, a blessed week, and know that I'm thinking about you and praying for you. Take care. Bye-bye.